I want to introduce you to Lauga and its unique selling points. Lauga has been developed to protect the hair before exposure to damages. These damages can be the result of chemical treatments, heat styling, dryness, UV exposure, and pollution in the air. The Lauga Nord 5 complex uses algae, which is the best source of natural vitamins, minerals, and restorative components. Algae is the best natural provider of vitamins, minerals, restorative components, and antioxidants to the hair follicle and the scalp cells. The algae and Lauga Nord 5 complex and the revolutionary product gives immediate results on the hair. It is restoring and rejuvenating for both the hair and scalp. Lauga does not contain any synthetic dyes or petrochemicals. It is formulated without sulfates, parabens, genetically modified substances, and SLS and SLES. Lauga uses organic ingredients and is suitable for sensitive scalps and safe to use with color and other chemical processes. The products within the Lauga range have been specifically designed to be prescriptive for specialist hair types. With this in mind, it is essential that you diagnose your client's hair or your own hair in accordance to get the best product that you need to suit. The diagnosis of the hair and scalp is the essential component of the service to understand which line within the range of Lauga is best for your hair.